cleaning the dryer vent. So I am showing you how I cleaned up my dryer vent. So basically, that's the back of my dryer. First, you will need to make sure to disconnect that power there, and then you make sure you're able to get in at the back. And after cutting the power to the dryer, locate the vent at the back of the dryer and outside your home, because you want to make sure. Then you want to disconnect the vent hose from the wall and the dryer. So I did unscrew it. It was very a little difficult because it was I had to use a smaller screw to do it, screwdriver. So I disconnected the vent hose from the wall, and then this is what I found, like so much dust and dirt in there. So what you would need to do after that, after you've disconnected both wall and the both hose from the wall and the dryer, you want to make sure you get that dirt off from the vent hose. Take it off, and then I've take off the bigger lint that you can touch with your hand. Use gloves, and then I did vacuum out the vent hose and the hole at the back of the dryer, and then I vacuumed